Hi, I'm Rilyn, and today I'll be showing you Newton's 3 laws of motion. Let's start with the first one. An object in motion will stay in motion at a constant velocity, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Take this yo-yo for example. Right now it's at rest, but when acted upon by an unbalanced force, like my hand, it goes in motion. Vice versa. Whenever I put my hand on the yo-yo, it becomes at rest. Here's a more entertaining example.
It looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes Al. And this... Oh, jeez! That was a bad idea.
Notice the man is at rest, but when an unbalanced force acts upon it, it goes in motion. He was not ready for it. A common misconception for Newton's first law of motion is that an object has to be in motion for an unbalanced force to act upon, but that's not true. It can start at rest or start in motion, and it can end at rest or end in motion. Newton's second law of motion is mass times acceleration equals force. Here's a quick example.
I'm a big kid now.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain the video. So we're just going to estimate and say that the mass is 63.5 kilograms and the acceleration is 1.5 meters over seconds. So the unknown is a force, and the formula is force equals mass times acceleration. So if you do 63.5 kilograms times 1.5 meters over seconds, you'll get 95.25 newtons, and that's the force at which he was kicking the soccer player. A common misconception of Newton's second law of motion is that sometimes people think that mass is weight, but it's not. Mass is not weight.
What is mass?
I don't know. Finally, Newton's third law of motion. Every force applied has an equal force in the opposite direction. Here's a video to explain. Okay, so let's explain this. There's a man jumping on a trampoline. His force goes down, then the trampoline sends him up, down, then up. Every force applied has an equal force in the opposite direction. He goes down, then he goes up. Equal forces. The people in the video were just not ready. A common misconception of Newton's third law is that the original law of motion is that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And sometimes a reaction can mean, like, if something were scary to happen in a movie, your reaction would be like, or you'd get scared and scream. But it's actually just like an equal force in the opposite direction. It's not like a reaction to what happened. And that concludes this presentation. Thanks for watching.